Hello, everyone. Welcome here to listen to an interesting story about a famous lady. She is as beautiful as a blooming sunflower. Her name is Rihanna. Rihanna was born in a small village nestled amidst lush green hills. From a young age, her spark of talent dazzled those around her. With a voice that could charm even the birds from the trees, she dreamed of sharing her gift with the world. Despite facing hardships, Rihanna never lost sight of her dreams. She sang at local events, captivating audiences with her soulful melodies. Word of her talent spread like wildfire, and soon she found herself performing in bigger venues across the country. But it wasn't until she auditioned for a famous talent show that her life changed forever. The judges were spellbound by her performance, and she soared through the competition, winning the hearts of millions. With fame came challenges, but Rihanna remained grounded. She used her platform to advocate for causes close to her heart, inspiring others to follow their dreams. Her concerts sold out within minutes, and her songs topped the charts worldwide. Yet, despite her success, Rihanna remained humble, always remembering her roots. She used her wealth to support her community, building schools and hospitals for those in need. Her generosity knew no bounds, and her kindness touched the lives of many. But amidst the glitz and glamour, Rihanna stayed true to herself. She never let fame change her, always staying true to her values and beliefs. Today, Rihanna is not just a famous singer. She is a symbol of hope and inspiration for millions around the world. Her journey from a small village girl to an international sensation is a testament to the power of dreams and determination. So let us all raise a toast to the famous lady, Rihanna, whose voice continues to light up the world like a shining star in the night sky.